Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can use gradients and patterns to create some interesting line designs. Now, I'm using Photoshop CC 2014, but you could use CS6, CS5, PC or Mac. Now, just going to go to the gradient tool, and I've already pre-created the gradient, so I'm just going to click there, and you can see the gradients going across there. Gradient stops, so that's at 0 position, 10%, and so on and so on. Click OK. Now I've got the window, it's on window and info. Now you can see here, you can see the position of the cursor, so I'm just going to start at 0, just go up there, yep, hold the shift down, and you can see go all the way over to 499. The document is 500, so that's just created across. Now just go to edit and define pattern, click OK, and a layer, new fill layer, pattern, click OK, and there's the actual gradient. Still haven't moved it in anything, so I'm just going to now set that to 25%. So I've got these lines here. Now what I want to do is layer and flatten image. Go to filter, and I could use wave, I could use shear, and that's when I've done some sort of trial runs of this. So I'll just use a shear, wrap around, clip OK. Now once you've actually done that, you can go to, so that's still there, so you can go select all, Control C, and I'm going to go to another document. Now this is 1000 by 1000, and what I've done, I've actually added those tiles already over in each of these slots of these, obviously it's quarter. So, and over here you can see in the layers, to see all the various layers. So if I actually just go over there and select that, now you can see that one, see that one. What I want to do is actually transform those, so I can go edit, transform, and what I want to do is flip horizontal, so you can see it just join there, just go down there. What I want to do is that one, I want to actually transform that, flip vertical, and now I want to do both in this. I want to go to edit and transform, flip horizontal and flip vertical. Right, so now I've got that design, and actually just go there, layer, flatten image. Now I could of course save that as a pattern again. It is still a pattern. I can actually just use the edit define pattern and resize that if I want. Just depends what you want to do. Now what I'm going to do is just go to a layer and a duplicate layer. I'm just going to move that out of the way so you can actually see, and then transform and rotate 90. So it's rotated, just that background copy. And what I'm going to do now is just going to go to darken or color burn difference, and many other obviously blending modes. Right, so that's an interesting way of creating some really extreme sort of pattern designs. And of course once you've actually created that, you can always add adjustment layers, or maybe also just go to distort and shear and then modify it again if you wish, but perhaps not. So I'm just going to come back. Okay, hope you found this of interest.